Functions versus libraries in BARN-LN. A deep dive into compilation behavior, object size, memory management, and performance. Brought to you by Full-on-BARN, your one-stop destination for IT solutions. In BARN-LN, reusable logic can be packaged in two fundamentally different ways. Global functions are embedded directly into every program script that calls them. Libraries, or DLLs, are independently compiled and loaded modules. Functions embed logic into every caller. Libraries centralize logic into a single shared module. This architectural decision has compounding effects on compilation time, object size, memory, and performance. Let us look at how global functions work. When a global function is used, its definition is embedded inside every program script during compilation. If you change the function, every calling script must be recompiled. There is no independent compilation. Consider a 5 MB program script using a 1 MB function. The compiled object becomes 6 MB. If 10 scripts use this function, that is 60 MB total, instead of the optimal 51 MB. Every modification to the function multiplies this cost. Now let us see how libraries work. When logic is packaged inside a DLL, the program script holds only a reference, not the actual code. The DLL is compiled independently. If you modify a function, only the DLL needs recompilation. All program scripts automatically pick up the new logic at runtime. The program script stays at 5 MB, and the DLL remains a separate 1 MB object. 10 scripts plus 1 DLL equals just 51 MB, and only one recompilation is needed, not 10. Let us compare the numbers side by side. With functions, each script is 6 MB, totaling 60 MB for 10 scripts. With libraries, each script stays at 5 MB, plus one shared 1 MB DLL, totaling only 51 MB. Functions require 10 recompilations on every change. Libraries require just one. The risk of missing a recompilation with functions is high, leading to stale logic. With libraries, the DLL updates automatically for all scripts. The math is clear. Object size differences translate directly into runtime memory differences. With functions, each script loads 6 MB into memory, including redundant copies of the function. With libraries, each script loads only 5 MB, and the 1 MB DLL is loaded once and shared. Libraries deliver faster load times, better multi-user concurrency, and higher cache efficiency. The larger your team and the more shared logic you have, the more significant this advantage becomes. So when should you use which? Use global functions when logic is highly specific to a single script, small, stable, and unlikely to change. Use libraries when logic is shared across scripts, subject to changes, or when you are building production-grade code. The recommendation is clear: default to libraries for any shared or evolving logic. Reserve global functions only for logic that is provably script-specific and small in scope. Here are the key takeaways. Functions cannot be compiled independently and create exponential maintenance overhead. Libraries are compiled independently, modify the DLL, and every script picks up the change. Function embedding inflates object size, 60 MB instead of 51 MB for 10 scripts. Libraries keep object sizes independent, no inflation, no coupling. At runtime, DLLs load once and share memory. Functions duplicate per user. Libraries improve performance across load time, memory, and cache efficiency. Migrations are simpler, just include the DLL. Default to libraries for shared logic. Thank you for watching. This content is from Fulonbarn's premium ebook series on Barn LN development. Visit fulonbarn.com for comprehensive info ERP LN training programs. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on LinkedIn, and reach out via WhatsApp for more details. Fulonbarn, one-stop destination for IT solutions.